welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nisa, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Every time link to be linked down in the description. And let's get right into the video. So for today's video, I have a LGN unboxing. And I got a couple of things. A cleanser and 3 different hard gels and a gel number 6 brush. So let me show you guys that. This is the brush. Of course, this was much cuter. It came with like a thank you seal, but y'all, I dropped the package covered in here, so it kind of spilled all the little confetti out. Oh wow. And I'm going to be very careful with this one and make sure I close the brush I already messed up. And make sure I close the brush properly, because the other one works just fine, but it just has some hair sticking out and I don't want to cut it. But I'm like so tempted to, so I just went ahead and bought a new one, because I'm like, if I ruin it, just in case, you know. And everything comes packaged nice. Like I said, I dropped this and it still didn't like crack or break or anything like that. And someone also asked me to compare, I believe it was the Just Peachy, I think was what it was called, and True Nude. So I'm also going to do a comparison of those. But these are her new colors. So I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and test these out. And I think the day that I placed my order, she had literally just dropped the colored hard gels. So I might try those out, but I'm not a big hard gel person, you know what I mean? So it might not even be worth it, you know? So y'all know I love a good cleanser. I'm pretty sure this cleanser is $9.99, I believe, but it smells really good. It smells like bubblegum and banana. That's exactly what it smells like, you guys. OMG. Let me know if you guys have smelled something, if you guys have smelled this before. It smells like tropical gum or bubble gum, or like a banana flavored bubble gum. That's exactly what it smells like. It smells really, really good. And the lock on this one locks extremely quickly. And there's 8 fluid ounces of product. And it says it removes dirt. Yes, it removes dirt, residual oil, and sticky residue from gel. And then it says cleanse nails cleanser is specially formulated to cleanse the surface of the nail plate to remove contaminants, dust, and oils prior to applying gel enhancement. It can also be used to remove sticky residue after curing your gel enhancements. And yeah. Cute. And then this is the card you put in it. Can't find my 2 other colors I'm looking for, but if I do, I'll update the video. So like, go ahead and include it, so I'll be looking for it. In the meantime, I'm just going to put these tips on, because I can't find my swatch stick, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the full cover now. But it's gonna be on my hand, so it looks like a little bit better. So I went ahead and applied the tips. The tips I'm gonna be using are the Beatles ones, and this is just for swatch purposes, so it's nothing too crazy. And yes, so let's do Dusty Rose first. So this one is Dusty Rose. So all of these colors are way cool toned. No, y'all look, I already frayed the bristles again. I'm so upset. I don't even know how I did it. I just opened the brush, literally. Hi, I just want to mention a couple of things really quick. You will start to see me do a slip layer before I start to apply the product, just so I can get a better application. And I enjoy gel, but I have not done a ton with the hard gels, but it is the exact same consistency as her previous launch. And sorry, you guys, I could not find those two colors. I will continue to look, but I moved and everything. So yeah, I will continue to look for those two colors, but that's all I wanted to add. And I am only curing for 30 seconds in between each layer. And for this one, I did a second coat just to give it some more coverage. Also, I forgot to mention that this finger was done in 2 times the speed. And then if you were looking for the real consistency of the product, that will be on the second nail. So that was Dusty Rose. It's a very pretty color. And this is way more cool tone than her original color she released. Next, I'll do Wild Blossom. This finger was much better application wise, and I really love this color. This is cute, is what it looks like. And like, you guys, look at around the cuticle area how much better it looks just compared to this one. So pretty. I might have to do me a set using one of these colors. This is Brown Orchid. this is what the final color looks like. As you can tell, it's the most like neutral, and it's way more brown. And it has more, instead of it being like pinky, it's more on the tan brown side. These are all very gorgeous. Like, yo, my lighting has changed because my light is dying, but here's the 3 colors. This one is Dusty Rose. This one is Wild Blossom, which is my favorite out of this, the second nude launches. And then this one is Brown Orchid. And it really is brown. Like, it is a real brown. And they're so smooth. OMG. Also, in case you guys are wondering if her products are beginner friendly, like I said, I don't really do much hard gel nails or anything like that. But as you can see, it was kind of easy for me, like the second time I did it in a while. Like I said, I've just been kind of messing around, maybe putting some on a nail, picking up a bead, you know, things like that. But as you can tell by the second time I did it, I got it much quicker, and it looks better, and it has like an actual apex, like the actual structure of the nail is nice compared to the first one and then the third one. So yes, if you are a beginner, I don't think hard gel is that bad, but if you do not like sticky, or if you can't get it around, like if you just can't maneuver it, you might not like it. Like if you don't like poly gel, you might not like hard gel. I think poly gel is okay. It's not that difficult for me. Obviously you guys see that I work with acrylic quite a bit. So acrylic personally is not that difficult for me. It's my favorite actually. But hard gel is very, very easy. I'd pick hard gel over poly gel any day. Like, poly gel is just okay. Here are the nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and top coat them. I'm gonna be using the LGN shiny top coat, and this is one of my favorite top coats. Literally, it's so good, you guys. And her top coat, I believe, is $12.99. If I'm not, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is $12.99. So it's not like that expensive. I know her hard gels are $20 per container. And I checked out the prices of her hard gel colors, and they're actually priced really, really well. So if you are interested in hard gel colors, check that out. But I know for her brush, it was maybe $12.99 or something. And then the cleanser was maybe $9.99. And then I think the picker is the crystal gel is the name. It's called Bling It. That's what it's called. The Bling It gel might be around that ballpark too, which I also own, and it works very, very well. And it is a thicker consistency. So I'm just gonna cure her top coat for 60 seconds. I cured the hard gel colors for 30 seconds. And then, like, let's say I needed to do a correction or add some more hard gel, I would add some and then I did it for 30 seconds. I think I had to do these twice, maybe put another layer on, or I could be wrong. but the top coat 100% needs to cure for 60 seconds plus, but I just got away with curing the hard gels for 30 seconds. But for a full cure, I would recommend 60 seconds curing everything for minimum. But it is a UV LED hard gel, so it just kind of depends on your lamp. If you know you usually cure things for like 2 minutes, then go ahead and cure it for the 2 minutes. But some lamps don't need that much time. Here are the colors, and you guys, these look so good. So Dusty Rose is very similar to Wild Blossom, but Wild Blossom is like a nice in between where it has those cool, it has like the cool tones to it, but it also has like the deeper pinky tones to it with also the neutral peachy tones. It has it all kind of mixed in and looks very, very good. The brown Orchid I feel like would be good for deeper skin tones because it is very these two I feel like would be good for deeper skin tones because they are deeper nudes. This one is, I feel like it is also good for deeper skin tones, but maybe lighter skin tones would like it as well. Y'all know me, everybody can wear whatever they want, because I've been told to, oh, you know, only wear this one, but you know, you can wear whatever you like. So here are the 3 colors. Like I said, let me know which one is you guys' favorite out of the 3, or if you like all 3 of them. And I will most definitely be looking for the other 2 hard gel colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Also, let me know if you want to see more builder gel videos or like hard gel videos, because I will definitely do them. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.